In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable auto screen rotation on your iPhone. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the Control Center. Look for the Portrait Orientation Lock icon. It looks like a lock with a circular arrow around it. If the icon is highlighted, Portrait Orientation Lock is enabled, which means your screen will stay in portrait mode and won't rotate when you turn your iPhone sideways. To allow your screen to rotate automatically, simply tap the icon to turn it off. If you don't see the Portrait Orientation Lock control in the Control Center, tap the ++ button in the top left corner while editing the Control Center. Next, tap Add a Control, search for Orientation Lock, and select it to add it to your Control Center. Once it's added, you can quickly enable or disable screen rotation anytime by tapping the Portrait Orientation Lock icon. Keep in mind that some apps don't support landscape mode, so the screen may not rotate even when Orientation Lock is turned off. And that's how you can enable or disable auto screen rotation on your iPhone.